Good afternoon. We decided to do some chainsaw milling today. So we're going to go down in this first part of the driveway. There's a big tree that was knocked down. Show you guys what it's like to use a chainsaw mill. So, I think this log is probably about 10 feet. And we might have it cut all the way off. I'm going to try pulling this out with a Jeep. If it's still attached, then I'll recut this end. But we got to get the chain underneath it so we can try to pull it out.
Old Indian trick.
You have to try it because it keeps binding my saw because it's
see that.
moving.
Let me yank on it again and see if it'll break it.
Oh yeah, it's loose. Come on. Move, Tiny. You got it. There you go. So you might ask why we dragged the log all the way up here. Well, that's because it's sunny up here and it gets cold in the shade this time of year. So brought it up here to where it's going to stay sunny for a few hours and we'll work on it up here. Now we just got to get it into position and then we'll show you what this chainsaw mill is like. Alright, so we're going to cut the other two sides of this, and we're not going to make you watch that. It's all the same boring stuff, just cutting it till it goes through. But we'll get these other two sides done and we'll be right back with you.
2x6 on there.
Oh yeah.
That's why I was brushing it, so I could get the 2x6 ready.
This is very wet wood. Need to pop that piece of bark off. There we go. What are you doing?
See how old this tree was?
Oh. Counting the rings?
Yeah.
How old was it?
35, but it's all I could count, but I don't know how many we cut off with the cant.
Okay. That's perfectly level. Nope, I'm on the wrong side. I don't want to be on the business side. All right, there we go. That now gives us a level surface, or at least mostly level. A level surface, so now we can run the mill right on top. Wood chips in the face. So now this is mostly level, so we can run the mill. Now we'll reset it to one inch. That gives us 1.25 inch board. But it'll run right along here now for the rest of the board. You only need the 2x6 for the very first cut you make. And that is some pretty wood too. Very wet. It's very wet wood. This wood is very green and very wet. And it's very pretty. Can't really brush it off because it's so wet. But let me tell you, when the first tree that we did with this mill, we wanted to try it out before we put it on YouTube, just in case, you know, we just wanted to throw it in the trash. But before we changed that chain to a ripping chain, it left a lot of grooves up and downs, and now that we've changed it to a 10-degree angle, it's nice and smooth. I mean, it still needs to be planed. You can see there's some ridges in it, but nowhere near like it was with a crosscut chain. So it definitely comes out smoother with a ripping chain. We'll pick up where we left off tomorrow. We'll get a bunch of boards cut off off camera because you guys don't want to just see us cutting boards over and over and over. It get boring. So, but yeah, we'll get some boards cut off camera, and somewhere in there we'll show you how many we've managed to cut. So for now, we're going to say goodnight. And if you like the videos, please hit the subscribe button. Hit the like button if you want to see more. And leave us a comment.